Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cucumber kimchi. First, choose crisp, fresh cucumbers, ideally Korean or Persian varieties, for their perfect size and texture. We will then prepare them by salting to remove excess water, ensuring a crunchy final product. Next, we'll create a vibrant, spicy paste using classic Korean ingredients. Finally, we'll combine everything and let the flavors develop, giving you a fantastic side dish in just a few hours. To begin, wash your cucumbers thoroughly. You can cut them into 1.5-inch pieces or quarter them lengthwise, then slice those into smaller segments. Place the cut cucumbers in a large bowl and toss them with about 2 tablespoons of coarse sea salt. Let them sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This process draws out excess water, preventing soggy kimchi. After salting, rinse the cucumbers well under cold water and gently squeeze out any remaining moisture. Now, let's create the heart of our kimchi, the flavorful paste. In a mixing bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Stir in 2 finely chopped green onions and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you have a vibrant, aromatic paste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your well-drained cucumbers to the bowl with the kimchi paste. Using clean hands, gently mix all the ingredients, ensuring every piece of cucumber is evenly coated with the vibrant paste. Transfer your freshly made cucumber kimchi to an airtight container. You can enjoy it immediately for a fresh, crisp taste, or refrigerate it for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld even further. It stays delicious for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.